I'd like to start by thanking all those who spoke. And this form, like I said, was put together by friends of Governor Wike who put the resources together and purchased this form. There are women that have put their resources here. There are the younger ones, Your Excellency, that have put their resources here. The elders have also put their resources here. The northern progressive element and conservative are also here. They put their own small resources, and we put everything together because of the love you have for our country, because of the courage you have exhibited in the past, because of the level of the way you are formidable, because Nigerians are in their need of a leader that can show courage, a leader that can take them to the promised land. And that leader is no other person other than His Excellency, Governor Nyesom Wike. We present to you this form, and we will be by you. Wherever you stand, you will find all of us around you, bumper to bumper, so that you can seize and collect that power and bring that power. Bring it to PDP. And you assure Nigerians, Your Excellency, we present to you. This is it.
Rescue Nigeria! Renew Nigeria!
PDP!
Congratulations.
Let me, on behalf of my wife, my children, sincerely thank all of you for wherever you may have gotten these resources to put together to buy this nomination for me to run for the presidency of Nigeria. Let me wholeheartedly say, I accept this form. I accept this form and to tell you, yes, I'm prepared for this assignment. So many people have said so many things about Nigeria. All of us are aware of the problems we face today. It is not going to be an easy task, but it's a task that is surmountable with commitment and passion. And by the special grace of God, with your support, we shall surmount the problems facing Nigeria. It's unfortunate that we are talking about insecurity. We are talking about banditry. We are talking about kidnappers. We never knew that we get to the point where terrorists will take over our international airport. We never knew it would get to the point where the railway will be attacked, that we have lost so many people. We thought it was kidnapping people at home. We thought it was going to a farm against people who are going to farm. Now it has gotten to the point where you are even afraid in the international airport where terrorists will make an attempt to seize the airport. And I'm hearing the president summoning this and summoning that. It means that security has totally failed. Yes. Security has totally collapsed. No intelligence. Security is not merely to go and buy weapons. the major thing about security is intelligence. You have intelligence to be able to stop what will happen. You know? So, my brothers and sisters, I thank you for this, and I will not disappoint you. We'll all battle together to salvage Nigeria, to rescue Nigeria. And like Nyesom said, I'm going there to take this power back to PDP. And INEC knows. The day I get the ticket, of course I've gotten the ticket. This is the flag in my hand. They know that it will no longer be business as usual. There must be transparent election. There must be. There must be. So INEC should also be prepared. Our business is to make them to conduct a transparent election. I will not be rigged out. This government, nobody can rig me out of this election. So it's left for PDP, it's left for the delegates. If you want us just to be that we're in the ballot, it's okay. But if you want PDP to come back to power, PDP president to be sworn in May 29, 2023, give me the ticket. So, I thank you very much and believe that after now, other activities will follow. Thank you and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.